Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to crop in DaVinci Resolve. So this is pretty simple guys. You are looking to open up your inspector. You should always have it open like I do now. After that you go to video and in here we have a tab cropping, as you can see, and now you can start cropping. We have multiple presets. In here basically directions from which you want to crop. So left, right, top and bottom. Say I want to crop from bottom. So I do it like this. So for example, if you want to create like a cinematic type of thing, like in movies and have these black borders. So you just do it like this. And this is how you crop the video guys. And also if you're looking to not crop pretty much everything right in your video and crop only some sort of section, you just cut it like this. And then choose this particular part of the video that you wish to crop. And then you crop, for example, from left. And as you can see here, it's not cropped. And then when I go here, it's cropped from the left. So that's how it's done, guys. Enjoy. If this helped you out, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you soon.